Crenshaw Sunday's going down right here in the beautiful California IEA. It's your boy Gordo. It is what it is. It is what we do.
I was 6 years old, riding shotgun in the old school with my dad.
I grew up in Boyle Heights. I remember when I was a kid, Pops always said, one day we'd all build a car together.
Me Lil Rock, skinny
Being
bitch.
writers are about family. What's up, Daddy? Me and my homies, we've never been to Mexico. And no, our Spanish ain't perfect. But you can find us partying with the hipsters in Echo Park, chilling at the skate park in Venice, or doing karaoke in K-Town. But for kids like me, sometimes we do end up the night at Taco Zone. Yeah, we eat tacos. But why not, right? If it was up to my pops, I'd be fixing cars at his shop all day.
I got a new wood in my...
This whole city is my canvas. I put up my art for free, and he wastes his money on car parts? That makes no sense to me.
They ain't got no muscle, no hustle, no backbone. I stand alone, not
Let's go show old school what he's up against.
ain't hanging on to the coattails of the next man. Passport in my left hand.
Famous graffiti artists don't have to be poor to be real.
That is your heritage, something you know nothing about. I guarantee you, I'm gonna make it with my art.